Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with a DIY style, and this what looks like a 5-strand braid or 6-strand braid is a double Dutch braid, so double lace braid. I part my parting normally diagonally. I don't know why, but like this it falls nicer, and I don't like the middle parting on myself. And then I go in a wavy shape, like a half moon shape, on the back of my head to the middle of the neck. So doing a part line, a neat one on yourself, is not so easy, so take your time, and you see I have to do it various times. Then I'm making a low ponytail with the hair from my right hand side, so you see it left now. And of course I correct the parting because that was not straight. You want this more or less straight, even one does not see the parting later, but it's nicer like this. So bring the hair away on one side, and I'm going to start braiding with using some oil that makes the hair softer, smoother, does not tangle so much. And then I'm taking a tiny section from the front, just about 1 inch wide. Make sure that nothing is tangled. Then I'm splitting it into 3 sections. You see those 3 equal strands. Bring the front under the middle, the left under the middle, and then again the right under the middle. And now I'm starting to braid over the part line, and I bring in new hair from the front. I bring again left under the middle, right under the middle, and then I bring in new hair. So this we're going to do always the same technique until the very end. But like you see, I make again a half moon shape on the top of my hair because I'm only incorporating the crown hair. So I did not part this line because I don't want it to look too perfect. I just do it with my finger, trying to find one line, and later we are covering this line with the rest of the hair from the side that is now still remaining over my ear. When you reach more or less the end, I'm not braiding it until absolutely down, just some more stitches after my neck. Then I'm going to braid the left hand side, and here we are going to incorporate, doing the same thing, incorporating the hair from the left hand side this time. Make 3 strands again, left under the middle, right under the middle, left under, and then you see again the diagonal line you want to braid in this direction. And always when you brought the left under, you incorporate hair from the left. Hold it tight and your fingers close to the scalp. And then when we go to the rear or to the back of the head, you do exactly the same thing. One sees it better from here, incorporating the hair. Now you see it here from the right. Bring everything under, left under, and same thing, some more stitches. And now we're going to prepare the sides over the ear. I just spray some water here to avoid the flyaways. You can use some spray gel, whatever is convenient for you. Combine that with the first braid, and then bring everything together. It should be tight. And again the other side, smooth everything out, and combine this now with the other 2 parts that you joined already. And now we can take out the other elastics. You open the rest from the braid that perhaps you have there, and we're going to pancake. I'm only pancaking the outer edges, you see, only the outside from the braid. Make it wider, and now we're joining those 2 braids. So if you are not able to make a 5-strand braid but you want a big braid on yourself, just do 2 lace braids, one close to the other, and then later you take a bobby pin, take one part from the right, one from the left, and join this, and it looks like you would have done a big 5-strand braid. I'm using a scrunchie to hide the elastic, and this is our final result. Double lace braid diagonally over my head from the front to the the back of the head into a ponytail. Hope you like it. If you're new, please subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Thank you for watching.